I want to thank Jeff once again for touring these great Class Bs. Alice, very impressive. No question about it.
Thank you, Tom. We appreciate you and appreciate the video.
Yeah, no question. And we found out that Jeff's son-in-law is Italian, along with Alice being Italian.
Yeah.
So
we are meeting in Milano, Lake Como, sometime very soon.
we got a great video for you today on how to have fun 4x4. That's right. This one is pretty special. A luxury 4x4 off-road camper van built by Gretsch. If you haven't, definitely check out our Facebook, Instagram page, and definitely try to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button so we can get it out to everyone, and check out our mothership channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors, and website for all kinds of really cool videos. Let's go ahead and get started. That's right, the Turismo Ion, and in the 4x4 model, and this is one awesome Class B. So let's go ahead and get started, folks. This thing is built by Gretsch. These guys have done an amazing job on the Timberline system. This is the floor plan here, 19 foot long, sits up to 4, sleeps 2, really nice, sweet little layout. And overall, this thing is loaded with all kinds of goodies. That ultra leather seating, hardwood cabinets. You've got the European hardware lagoon table there, the solid surface with the LED lighting, the wet bath, you name it. Even comes with a Bose soundbar, LED TV, 2,000 watt Xantrax inverter, and so much more. These things are gorgeous. But in any case, we were able to get some time with the manufacturer representative from Gretsch, and you're going to be impressed with him and the queen of Class B, Alice. That's right. And here's a side view of this vehicle. Absolutely gorgeous. Really nice tires on this thing. And as you can see here, we'll walk you through the whole unit from the inside out, and you're going to absolutely love it. And in addition, we've even got the price sheet here for you as we move forward. But let's go ahead and get started with Alice and the rest of the team, and we're going to show you this gorgeous 4x4 now. We've got another Gretsch video for you today, folks, from the Super RV Show in Tampa, Florida, one of the biggest shows, RV shows in the world. And look at here, we got Ned, he's back. So Ned agreed to do another video with us out here, and we're loving these Gretsches. I don't think I should have shown Alice these. They are the high end of the Class B, and she is falling in love with them. And the names. Tell everybody back home about the names, Alice.
I have to figure it out, but all the names are Italian. Strada, Terreno, Turismo, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
So we're going to have to meet Mr. Gretsch, find out what's going on here. So, Ned, take it away. What do we got here? This one's different.
Right. This is the Turismo. This is built on the 2500 series chassis, so you'll notice it's a single rear wheel versus dual, and this is a four-wheel drive model. 140-inch wheelbase.
Uh-oh, a four-wheel Class B luxury with all that lithium.
Yeah.
That's kind of a deadly combo for Alice with an Italian name. I better get her out of here soon. Otherwise, I'll be leaving here with one of these. So take it away, Ned.
All right, we give up a little bit of real estate with this shorter wheelbase model. You'll see inside, but this is our light interior, and take a board.
Yeah, this is really sweet. And you got the fancy retractable step right out of the way. Look at there. You've got your little table mount on the side, outlet as you walk up. Nice handle right here. And once again, though, you get all of this extra room up front with out the two captain's chairs for sure.
Yeah, so with this one, you don't get the full wardrobe closet. This is just the bathroom.
Yep.
You see that the refrigerator is moved over here. So these two ottomans are non-functional from a seating standpoint, but they do retract out for the bed.
Ah,
It's a little bit
very
different.
good. But you still get that big bed,
Yes.
and it's all automated.
Absolutely.
So
It's still very comfy.
let's take a look at this, Alice, right off the bat. Take a look at this.
There is a mirror in the
So you got the big
bathroom.
fancy mirror.
Yay.
So you
And
got
the
the same
windows.
size bath in the small
Absolutely.
Class B. So that's pretty cool with the mirror, with the retractable for all your clothes. And you got the window.
Yep.
Very nice. Big sink. Same program.
Very comfy.
Very comfy. And then you've got the big vents here.
Oh, look, the shower works like this.
Yeah.
Very comfy and easy to handle.
Very nice, for sure. All right, so over here, galley, Ned. Take a look at what we
Yes.
got here. Another one of these big sinks?
Yes, we still
Whoa.
have the stainless steel farmhouse style kitchen with the quartz countertops. The the Timberline hot water system provides on-demand hot water.
Yeah.
And the Firefly control system right here, all the same power retractable ottomans for the bed. You can control absolutely everything in here. All your lighting, your shades.
There goes those fancy shades
Yeah.
again. No pulling down the shades, one button, and that does it for you.
Absolutely.
Wow, that's a nice feature, huh?
Well, you can stop them at any moment,
Yep.
right? Very cool.
Very cool. Double top induction, same again. Lots of drawers, and you've got, there you go, the fancy convection and microwave combo. So all the things that you are always looking for in a Class B, this one actually has.
Yes, I love the 2 burners instead of only one. It's easier to cook more meal.
Yeah.
Plus you have the convection oven in the microwave, so it's another big plus. You know how many more meals you can cook in an environment like this is fantastic.
And you got the 4x4, and
yes.
you've got
And
the lithium. You've got it all in this one. Pretty sweet. But yeah, you can see how this folds underneath here and here. This is, you see this once in a while on several of the Class Bs. We actually even have it on the one side. And then your TV with your sound bar. Nice outlets with your C and regular USBs. So you're missing that extra storage because of the distance back here. But overall, you still got a lot of cabinets. I mean, when you think about it, you've got this. You come across the back, a lot of the Class Bs are missing this one. And then 3 more up here. Pretty sweet. And this is all automated too, right?
Absolutely, yep. One thing we failed to mention, excuse me, we failed to mention the fact that we have Zamp solar on the roof, as well as a built-in DVD player, and we're wired for satellite television.
Very nice. Wow, super cool. And then you also have your Timberline control. So with the 4-wheel, all the lithium action, this one's pricing out at list at $228,900, and you can see all the features to this thing. But the 1,260 amp hours, Alice, we have 270. So that kind of puts it in perspective after our upgrade, right? So these guys are packing some serious lithium in this thing. And the 3,000 watt Xantrax, that's pretty awesome. Look at that in the 280 amp alternator that's built in. So pretty cool on the sides. And you can see overall, just a really, if you're looking for a 4x4 to get out back and do some of the stuff we do, fishing, hiking, and still be able to get around on 2 tracks, but have the luxury, most of those 4x4s that we've done, they just don't have the luxury feel or the lithium or any of that, where you get both here. It's a combo, for sure.
It's a really great combo, and it works extremely well.
All right.
I'm gonna close you guys in if you want a little protection from the bugs.
Nice screen, for sure.
Yeah, and the fact that this is on a single rear wheel chassis, in New York there's some different highways that you're not allowed to be on with the dual rear wheel, so
Okay.
that might be a factor if you're in the New York market.
Very cool. So Alice, let's finish up this video with Ned. What's your overall thoughts on this one?
Yeah.
Well, I think that this is a really great combo if you are like a single couple, no kids, and you want to go in the adventure. Well, this is a really great idea for you. You have everything you need. You will not feel the need for an hotel or a house because what are you missing? Nothing at all. So don't forget to. I hope you guys enjoy this video and this fantastic RV.
And we have the other Gretsch videos,
yeah,
right?
you
So
don't have to
yeah,
forget
so there
that
you
we
go.
have- This one is for the Strada.
Yeah.
And instead here we did the Terreno, so you can check them out. Both of them, they are fantastic design.
Well, overall, we hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun 4x4.